In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly sync Notion with Google Sheets, enabling you to harness the capabilities of both platforms effectively. First off, let's begin by opening both Notion and Google Sheets in your Chrome browser. It's crucial to have both applications ready as we navigate through setting them up to work together. Next, you'll want to dive into Notion to generate your API key. To do this, head over to the settings and then navigate to the integration section. Here is where you'll create and generate a Notion API key. Now remember that this key is what allows different applications to communicate securely and seamlessly with Notion, so make sure to store it safely away from prying eyes. With your API key in hand, it's time to use a trustworthy third-party tool to act as a bridge between Notion and Google Sheets. Tools like Zapier or Coupler.io come highly recommended for this task. These platforms are particularly beneficial as they offer user-friendly interfaces and powerful connectivity options that can make setting up integrations easier even for beginners. The next step involves setting up the actual connection between your Notion database and Google Sheets. Start by linking these two platforms within the third-party tool you have chosen. You'll need to authorize access by providing your API key and following any additional prompts to connect your accounts securely. During this process, you might encounter various options regarding permissions and access levels. Be sure to align these with your specific needs and security preferences. Once the connection is established, it's time to configure your sync settings. This involves deciding how frequently you want your data to be updated and transferred between Notion and Google Sheets. Whether you need real-time updates or less frequent syncs, these tools offer flexibility to adjust settings according to your workflow. Furthermore, you'll need to set up data mapping, ensuring that each field in Notion corresponds correctly to columns in Google Sheets. This step is vital for maintaining data integrity, so take your time to double-check that everything lines up accurately. Finally, after you've configured these settings, go ahead and save everything. Before you wrap things up, it's a great idea to test your new setup. Here, you'll want to ensure that data flows correctly between Notion and Google Sheets. Try entering some sample data into your Notion database to see how it appears in Google Sheets and vice versa. If something doesn't look right, you can always go back and tweak the settings to make adjustments. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently sync Notion with Google Sheets, allowing you to enjoy the best of both worlds without any hassle. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!